Fireside Hearth and Home Shop, serving 2 locations, Murphy, North Carolina, and Blue Ridge, Georgia.
Here with Fireside Hearth and Home Shop, and today we're at our Blue Ridge location, and I wanted to share with you about the Majestic Duzy 2 log set. Here we have it in a Superior 4500 or a 42-inch firebox, and this is the 30-inch log. What I like about this log set is, number one, it is a vented log, so this means your damper does stay open. So these truly aren't really about a heating log as it is more about a visual, and as you can see, it has a beautiful look. But this particular Duzy 2 log actually has a log in the back that's tilted forward a little bit. And what that means is you're getting a decent amount of radiant heat back into the room. Typically with a vented log, you really can almost come right up to it and not feel much at all. But this one, you really do feel it. Now, they also offer this log set in what they call an 1824 for smaller fireboxes, say a 32 or a 36-inch box. Again, this is a 42. But they all have the same features. One of them meaning that it has all those embers and it has that large flame to make it more like that traditional wood-burning look. It also comes with all the lava rock. And what we do here at Fireside is we actually give you an on and off remote control with the Duzy 2 series, so it just makes it easier to operate instead of coming right up to the unit. But what is also nice about this unit, we'll focus a little bit down here, is the controls are right to the front. So a lot of the log sets, you got to reach around back to get to where you would start the pilot and everything, right up front here, but they kind of cover it with this log. The other thing is from this this knob here, if you would like, you can actually reduce your flame height. Now it does react quick, so I'll bring it back up and we'll bring that fully up. Now on high, this is 65,000 BTUs. So it does use a decent amount of fuel, and that's why we don't use it more as heat as we do visual. But again, you can turn it down there. The other thing with the 24-inch, it's running at 55,000 BTUs, so a little less flame, but because it's in a smaller area. This is the Majestic Duzy 2 log set.